Imagine a food product that has undergone a series of industrial processes, transforming raw ingredients into something barely recognizable. That's the essence of ultra-processed foods. These culinary creations often contain a long list of ingredients, many of which are unfamiliar or unpronounceable. They are typically high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, salt, and artificial additives, all designed to enhance flavor, prolong shelf life, and increase palatability. Examples include packaged snacks, sugary drinks, instant noodles, and many ready-to-eat meals. These foods are often engineered to be hyper-palatable, meaning they are designed to be irresistibly delicious, leading to overconsumption and potential addiction. Understanding the true nature of ultra-processed foods is the first step towards making conscious choices about what we put into our bodies. Navigating the grocery store aisles can be overwhelming, with countless products vying for our attention. But fear not, for there are simple ways to identify those sneaky, ultra-processed foods lurking on the shelves. One telltale sign is a lengthy ingredient list, often containing unfamiliar or artificial ingredients. Another clue is the presence of added sugars, which can appear under various names like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, or maltose. Additionally, check for trans fats, often listed as partially hydrogenated oils, which are known to be harmful to heart health. Lastly, be wary of products that boast an unrealistically long shelf life, as this often indicates a high level of processing and preservatives. By becoming savvy label detectives, we can make informed choices that align with our health goals. Ultra-processed foods are convenient, but come with health risks. They are linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. High sugar content leads to weight gain and insulin resistance. Unhealthy fats raise cholesterol and heart risks. Lack of fiber and nutrients disrupts gut health and weakens immunity. Reducing our reliance on ultra-processed foods doesn't require a complete dietary overhaul. Implementing small, sustainable changes can make a significant difference. Start by gradually swapping out ultra-processed snacks for whole food alternatives. Opt for a piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, or some cut-up vegetables. Focus on the perimeter of the store where fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains are found. Cooking more meals at home allows you to control the ingredients. Planning ahead can help you make healthier choices during busy weekdays. Remember, every small step counts towards a healthier eating pattern. As we've discovered, ultra-processed foods, while tempting and convenient, often come with hidden costs to our health. By understanding what constitutes an ultra-processed food and learning to identify them through their ingredient lists, we can make informed choices that align with our well-being. Reducing our intake of these foods doesn't require drastic measures, but rather a shift in mindset and the adoption of simple, sustainable habits. Remember, every small step towards a healthier plate is a step in the right direction.